My name is Rick Renner, and today I'm giving you a tour of some of the things on our TV set. People all the time saying, Rick, what are all those things on your shelves? Well, nothing in this studio is here by accident. It's all here by design, including this bronze bear. This is a bronze bear. It is very, very heavy. But the reason we have this on our TV set is because many people look at Russia as the big bear. And they believe that the bear is the emblem of Russia. Actually, it's not. But that's what most people think. And the reason that I have this bear on my set is because it reminds me of my call to reach the Russian-speaking people. Every time I come into this set and sit here and I see this bear, I think about God's call on my life to reach Russia. You know, in Russia, the emblem of the bear represents an animal that is strong, an animal that has the ability to protect itself. That really is Russia. It's a strong nation which has defended itself from many, many foreign aggressors over hundreds and hundreds of years. It has survived World War I, World War II. It has lost so many people in battle. But as a bear, it has defended itself. But when I come into this studio and I see this bronze bear, it really communicates something to me. It reminds me of my call to reach the Russian-speaking people. And that's why this bronze bear is on my TV set.
Wow, wasn't that a great video? My friends, would you please subscribe, like, and comment under this video? Please do that. It will help us reach more people with the gospel of Jesus Christ.